let's pick up that part. Roll that intro. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Right now, I'm actually on my way to go get that blue relay for the Ruckus. As you guys saw in that video a while back, I have an issue with power getting to the starter, and after checking all the fuses, all the grounds, and the switch itself, that may be the issue. So I contacted Rucksters, which are the people that I got my GY6 harness from, and they said that that could be the issue.
One hour later.
Alright, so I got the part, a little relay from them. Let's go ahead and go home and see if this piece works.
A few moments later.
Alright, welcome back to the garage. Let's see, almost all this stuff out of the way. And get the Ruckus out there, and we'll start that installation. Alright, editing spaz here. I realized that for some reason the footage of me changing the relay wasn't on the camera, or the camera was facing the other way. So what I will do is we'll go to the garage and I'll show you exactly where that relay is in the battery box, because this wouldn't be a full tutorial if I didn't show you where it was. Alright, so once you have the battery box off and you're ignoring your mess in the background of wires, let's see, yeah, there it goes. You can see that blue relay right on top of where the positive lead for the battery is. It's kind of connected over there with all the other fuses in that area. The only thing you have to do is take it out and swap it for the new one, and then test it, see if that was your issue. I've talked about the start button and how this stays in when you press it all the way in. So what I'm going to do is press it, everything is connected, and I'll turn the bike on, I'll press the button, and what I end up doing is I will touch the lead to the starter. So if that works, it means that that was the issue, and I can plug everything back in. If not, I guess we can keep troubleshooting. So I will take away the zip tie and have everything, I guess, peel that back, have it ready to go. So as you can see, it's exposed. The only thing I'll have to do is touch it to it once I get power at the front. I will turn on the ignition. Should have locked it in place. We got power over here, and like I said before, this button, if I press it all the way in, it actually stays in, so it should still provide power all the way back to the starter. And I could potentially do this with a multimeter, which is probably a little safer, but this should work. So what I'll end up doing is touch that lead to the open lead of the starter, and if it cranks, that was the issue. And it was awesome. Alright, flip the choke. Let's see what we can do. Editing Spaz here again. I forgot to do an outro for that, so here it is. If you like that video and it helped you, give me a thumbs up. If you want to make sure to see what all I have, hit that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss anything I post, hit that bell so you're notified every single time I post something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spaz out. Later.